sauce, horseradish 138 and wasabi 138. I'm the hotter one.
I'm the hotter one. I explode in the mouth.
Oh dear.
And I know where that comes from.
Oh.
Get it?
No. Anyway, we're cleaning the police car. Look, we're cleaning the police car. It's nice and clean. Oh look, it's got a broken window. We'll have to mend that later, won't we?
I wonder what made them have a broken. Yeah, you just super glue them together.
Yeah, everyone knows that.
Should have put a bit of tape on.
It's
Just a bit of
sellotape.
sellotape.
Yeah.
Oh, nothing to do. Just put a bit of.
Oh, we got a
sellotape.
saw. Saw out one window and put a new one in.
I don't think it
With a
would
bit of super glue. Oh, it's not working. There we go.
It's not work.
Oh, what's this rubber? Oh, that's the lights.
You thought that was a rubber?
I did. I thought it was a rubber. Oh, and a rubbish bin. Oh, we're putting. Oh dear. Here we go.
Okay.
Yeah.
They're really easy. It's really bad when you're in a maths quiz and you have to do that with maths. So like 7. Let's do. What's in the 7 times table? So you have like the times table on that side that you have to do, and then you have like the answer. And you've got like, oh, I'm just gonna have to work out the answer, then draw a very straight line. And I normally miss. You get the answer right, but like I don't get a point. I like go a bit off.
You got a battery again. Oh, now we can choose different things, look, for the car. Different sizes.
I don't think you should put too much, because it might be tomorrow we have to do it again.
It might get so heavy it can't move.
There's
That'd be
this
fun.
body that's moving. People are like, oh, I can't move in time, and phew, dead.
Ah, different tyres, look, different.
Make them faster and bigger and stronger and
Scarier.
smellier.
Smellier. Smelly car.
It's in an advert.
Oh, is that?
It's a really weird one. It's like trying to sell a car, but like the tyres smell really nice. Do you smell?
Yeah, I've seen that, I think. Yeah. So, what's these? We got to put a child in there or something.
No, bye.